If you like the idea of a folding bike but you don't like small wheels, coming up I'll show you how Tern has the bike that's just right for you. Most folding bikes use small wheels. Bromptons use 16-inch wheels, quite a few of the Tern bikes use 20-inch wheels, and this Tern Node D8 uses 24-inch wheels. The obvious disadvantage with 24-inch wheels, or having a larger wheel than say 20 or 16-inch, is that when you fold the bike it's going to take up a bit more space. The advantage of a folding bike still remains, however, and that's when this thing is folded, it's taking up a lot less room than a full-size bike. And the advantage is you don't need to store this or transport this on the roof of a car or on a towable carrier for a car. So when you fold the Tern Node D8, it will fold in the center. Also, you can drop the handlebar down, which will fold down on itself, and you can drop the seat. You end up with a reasonably compact package that allows you to store that in a boot of a car or under a desk at work or in a storage area. The handlebars are Dutch style swept back handlebars. So instead of riding with a flat handlebar like you do on a mountain bike or a hybrid bike, the handlebars actually come around a little bit. So your wrists are in a much more natural, much more ergonomic position. What that does is that relieves a whole lot of pressure on your wrists to start with, but also on your upper arms and your shoulders, on your upper back and on your lower back. And that means that you're going to have a much more comfortable ride and you'll be able to ride on that bike for much longer in that position. So another advantage of having the swept back handlebar is that you'll be sitting much more upright. You'll be able to look over the tops of cars in front of you if you're riding on the road. You'll be able to be better seen from the front and from the back. So the Node is fairly well equipped for this type of bike. You'll find standard rack on this bike with a couple of bungee tie-overs. It's using Shimano Claris derailleur. It's an 8-speed. Comes with folding pedals, and that makes the profile of the bike much smaller. It comes with V-brakes, front and rear, so you have really great stopping power with the V-brakes. And for changing gears, this bike comes equipped with a twist shift on the hand grip. So if you're looking for a comfortable folding bike to ride, the Tern Node D8 is going to do a lot of things for you. This bike's got those larger wheels, like we said, which will give you a nice comfortable ride. It has the swept back handlebars, which will give you a more ergonomic ride. It comes standard with lots of things like mud guards, folding pedals, kickstand and a rack, and great stopping power with V-brakes. And it's really well priced as well. The Tern Node is the workhorse of the Tern around town family of bikes. With its big wheels and its swept back handlebars, it's suitable for rider heights between 148 centimetres and 195 centimetres, and it weighs just 13.3 kilos. To find out more or to order one, give us a call, email us or order online. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'm Andrew from Form and Design. Thanks for watching.